Random Game 100, and this is more Ratchet and Clank 3. In the last episode, if you watched it, I got halfway through one of the challenges on Arcadia. This time I'm going to do the rest of that challenge and get to the rest of the planet.
Features a lock-on mod. To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
The Noids have launched an all-out assault. We need those air defenses online yesterday.
Enemies appear red on the radar.
This is the last challenge now, and then I'll be going to the laser defense facility.
Those turrets can only target aircraft. You'll need to handle the ground troops yourself.
Oh God.
for a fight like you do, son. Who says you can't find good help these days, right, Clank? Sasha's told me a lot about you. Don't get any ideas, kid. She is way out of your league. Sasha filled me in on the Clark situation. I'm told the man thinks he's a monkey.
He has lost his memory, sir.
Well, then you'll simply have to find him for him. We need our star player back in the game ASAP. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
My daughter tells me you're a man who's good with his hands, Ratchet.
Sir, I swear I never...
The city's laser shield went down during the attack. Now, we are defenseless without it. I sent out a repairman to fix it, but he disappeared. I need you to get that shield system back online.
Yes, sir. We're on it.
You'll need this refractor gadget to restore power to the city's defense grid. Those laser beams are red hot, so make sure you turn the refractor field on before you touch them. Good luck.
The refractor will let you redirect laser beams. Just equip it and stand in the path of the laser. Hold L1 and use the left analog stick to aim the beam. Ratchet. The refractor can reflect beam attacks at enemies. Just... There should be a spider symbol somewhere in that room. Use the beam to lead the spider drone over the symbol and then zap it with the laser.
The shields up yet?
Silence! I am concentrating.
What the? That's a Quark Vid comic.
Excuse me. It is a historically accurate interactive graphic novel.
How can you use the city's defense network to play a video game?
Simple. I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter and reprogrammed a graphic subprocessor.
No, I mean, it's... Clank, you speak, nerd.
It appears you have a feedback loop in the induction coils of your DB3 signal processor.
Impossible! I ran a recursive checksum on the signal matrix. Hey, there is a feedback loop. I don't know what
May we borrow this vid comic?
Treat it gently. It is a first edition.
Perhaps this will help restore Quark's memory.
Shield power restored.
I'm going to end this episode here. Like and favorite if you thought it was good, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.